Long duration events such as oval track, off-road, and road racing puts tremendous strain on your differential and transmission fluids. These oils are the lifeblood of your drivetrain. When they overheat, premature wear starts to occur. By using the proper cooler, your oil temperatures can remain in check, protecting your differential and transmission in these tough conditions. Earl's extensive line of oil and fluid coolers are available in all shapes and sizes, including with or without electric fans. Finding the right one for your application is just a click away. Since most manual transmissions and differentials do not have an internal oil pump, you will need an electric oil pump to circulate the oil through these coolers. Earl's oil pump is designed for continuous duty in harsh racing environments. Earl's compact oil pump flows over 2 gallons per minute. It can be mounted in any orientation and is self-priming up to 4 feet of vertical height. The internal seals are made of FKM rubber, which has excellent chemical resistant properties. It's best to wire the pump with a temperature switch, relay, and harness to allow the oil temperature to warm up before operating the pump. This reduces friction and allows your oil to reach operating temperature quicker. Couple that with Earl's swivel seal hose ends and AutoFlex hose for a race-winning combination. Earl's screen filter adds an extra measure of protection by making sure no debris passes through the pump. This diagram shows the optimal routing path. Placing the pump after the cooler will extend the life of the pump drastically due to the cooler fluid temperatures. With Earl's products, transmission and differential failures caused by excessive heat can be avoided. Keep your oil from breaking down with Earl's oil cooling components. Browse our full selection of fluid coolers at earlsplumbing.com.